Hi y'all, I'm Alice and welcome to the Mighty Budo. As you probably guessed, we're going to be taking this layout, which was the first week in January, and moving things around, changing it up a little bit to get a completely new, different look. So, in the original weekly grid, I had a small section for a day that was pretty uneventful. And in the second week in January, we had a really big day. So I am making a big box to go with it. My daughter, who just turned 17, got her braces off on Tuesday the 9th. So I'll be using that big box over there to mark that special occasion. She had them for a year and a half and was so excited to get them taken off. And this little part is for my mini challenge, my morning routine. Oh, yeah, so I noticed somehow I got through the whole first week video and didn't realize after making 2 copies of my little mitten, I put the original one on the page. So I washi taped it in the wrong card. And when I was setting up my little grid here, that's when I noticed. Thankfully, I was running behind, so these pages were made within a few days of each other, and I still had my new and improved mitten. I was able to grab it and swap them out. So over here, I made a little fireplace for my meals. And I love how this turned out. I definitely feel like my doodling skills are improving. I've been bullet journaling. This would be, let's see, I started in August of last year. So this is my 6th month to do it. And I'm getting a little bit more confident in my drawing skills, if you call doodling drawing. So if you've been thinking about doing it yourself but feel intimidated, just start doing it. You'll be really surprised with your results, I bet. And if they don't always turn out the way you expect them, that's okay too. It's your book. You're doing it for yourself. So if you like to get colorful in your pages, go for it. In fact, that's the main reason I started doing these videos. With watching other ones, I had seen comments where people were talking about how pretty pages looked and they didn't think they could draw anything worthwhile in their own book. And I started doing it. I was like, look, I can't look any worse than mine. Before I knew it, I decided to start making videos to show people that they don't have to be perfect. They don't have to be incredible, but it just makes the page fun, and it's fun to do. All right, I'm off my soapbox about that. Didn't plan to talk about that. But here's where my daughter got her braces off. Very big day for us, so it got a big box. In the little fireplace cute, on those big bricks, I can write in the meal options for the week. Now this little grid down here is for the little tip out over there on the left. And that is part of my mini challenge for the month. It's setting up a morning routine. And just in case you're interested in seeing how I made that, I'll put a link up in the corner for you so you can hop on over and check it out. So I will be revising this again, and we'll change it up one more time, if not 2. And hopefully that video will be up and ready to go tomorrow. So if you want to see it, if you like this idea of taking one layout and changing it up week to week, then be sure and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.